What's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you how to tighten a loose toilet seat. So you can see mine is currently all sorts of loose. And they come loose just from, typical wear and tear, lifting and closing them. So we'll just show you how to tighten it. It should only take a couple seconds. So you can see, usually on the back here, that there's screws underneath here that are hidden by these little housings. So you can see these actually come up pretty easy, but you just flip them up. And sometimes you might have to take a screwdriver and just lift them up, and they'll expose these large plastic screws. And they could either be Phillips head or flat head. It all depends on your toilet. So all you do is just tighten them down. Really easy fix. But some people don't realize that the screws are right underneath here. So then you just pop the caps back on. There you go, toilet seat's tight. So that's it for this video, pretty quick. So if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.